Yeah.
Still friends for another few minutes.
You ready for this power? A lot of bunda.
Show me where you go.
Yeah. You okay? Yep. Good hung. Yeah, boy. My boy's getting strong. Good turnout, fellas.
They're here for the chew today, boys.
Canal. It's what we build our game around as forwards.
Alright, let's go.
Yeah. Close that space. Foot reckons you walk your cat.
What's that?
Is that foot reckons you walk your
Yeah,
cat?
I've walked the cat before. Got to get him some outside time. It's the inside cat.
Did you put it on a leash?
Yep. No, little harness.
Walks his cat.
No way. Yeah, I have. Get out. Inside cat. Got to get it some.
How much do you owe me if I take a hanger on you?
30 and fuck.
How much will you give me?
I don't want to hang it on me.
Yeah.
I'll be in.
How much? How much? Give me $1,000 if I take a hanger on you today.
No chance. No, you just keep going.
In each of your lines, boys, you'll know what you're working on, don't you? And individually, you know what you're working on. Let's just see that today.
Yep.
Okay, whatever you're working on, let's see it. Whether it's good or bad, and move on from mistakes.
Yep.
We're all going to make them, so let's move on quickly to that next phase, next decision, next contest, whatever it is, as quick as we can. Play our game, all right?
Here we go.
Yeah.
Get him now, get him. Yes, fuck yeah. Yes, Lathy! Awesome, budgie! Yeah, what's the interchange go without just go today? Yeah. Good Joddy. Start big D, good contest. I'll go deep with you, not. Lathy! Lathy! Love this. Great work. Stop, stop, stop. Life, life. Dash, 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 dash. Split, winner. Take that side. There, mate. Hug! Hug! Hey! Goes! Good. Yeah, forwards in.
Happy.
Good, forwards in. Yeah, bull. Clean, bro.
Boy.
Nice.